Have you ever dreamed of moving into a new house? Let's talk about what it really means. A house in dreams often stands for your life, your mind, your family, or even your future. So, when you dream about moving into a new house, it usually points to change, growth, or a fresh season in your life. Spiritually, this dream can be a sign of fresh beginnings. It may mean that God is leading you into a new season. Maybe old things are ending and new things are starting. It can also mean growth, healing, or new opportunities. Just like moving into a new home brings new surroundings, this dream can point to a new chapter in your life. But the meaning also depends on how you felt in the dream. If the new house felt peaceful, beautiful, or made you happy, it often points to good changes, answered prayers, and hope for the future. But if the house felt strange, dark, broken, or made you worried or afraid, it may be showing worries you have about change. You understand me? Or areas in your life that still needs healing and attention. Sometimes it simply means you are entering something new, but you do not fully understand it yet, I mean to say. From a psychological point of view, moving into a new house points to changes happening inside you. It shows growth in the way you think and see yourself. It often appears when you are becoming more mature, leaving behind old habits, healing from past hurts, or entering a new stage in your life. In simple words, your mind is showing you that you are growing and your life is moving forward. You are not the same person you used to be, and that growth is making room for something new. Now, here is something very important. Not every dreams about moving into a new house means exactly the same thing. The details matter. So ask yourself, how did I feel in the dream? Was I happy, peaceful, worried, or confused? Another question, what did the house look like? Was it beautiful, empty, unfinished, or damaged? Am I going through changes in my real life right now? Is there something new that I have been praying for or thinking about? You see all the questions you should be asking. So now, if the dream brought peace and joy, it may be pointing to positive growth and new opportunities. If the dream brought worry or stress, it may simply be showing worries about change or reminding you to deal with things you have been avoiding. Dreams often reflect what is happening inside us, so it is important not to rush to conclusions. Always pay attention to the message, not just the picture. So, what should you do after having this dream? First, welcome positive changes instead of being afraid of them. Second, think about areas of your life that may need a fresh start. This could be your habits, your relationships, or your mindset, or even your spiritual life. Third, pray and ask God for wisdom and direction. And finally, do not ignore your feelings. If something in your life needs healing, take small steps toward peace and growth. Dreaming of moving into a new house is often a reminder that life has seasons. Sometimes old chapters close so that new ones can begin. This dream does not always mean a physical house. Many times it is about becoming a new version of yourself, growing stronger, and stepping into new opportunities. So, if you had these dreams, do not be afraid of change. Sometimes the new things we pray for begin with a new season inside us. That's all for this video. In the next one, I'll be sharing another powerful dream meaning you don't want to miss. So if this helps you, please follow or subscribe to the channel and like the video and tell me in the comments what dream should I interpret next.